In this video we will talk about helpful tips to care for your skin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Skin is the outermost covering of your body, which need to be kept clean and nourished. If your skin is kept in good health, then you will be feeling more beautiful, fresh and young. Your skin needs to be pampered and taken care of. The skin is the part of the body, which is exposed constantly to various types of pollutants and harshness from the surroundings. These pollutants harm the skin and the skin loses its youthfulness and glow. Here is some basic information about how to keep your skin healthy. You need to know your skin type before starting any skincare program. There are 4 basic skin types: normal, oily, dry and sensitive skin. You need to wash your face to remove the dirt from it and to keep it clean. You should never wash your face with hot or cold water. Hot and cold water cause broken capillaries on the skin. Always wash your face with lukewarm water to remove the dirt and to open the clogged pores of your skin. You should wash your face as often as possible. But never forget to wash it before going to bed and in the morning. You should never go to bed with makeup on. You should use a mild cleanser suitable to your skin type for cleansing your skin. The surfactants present in the cleanser remove the dirt, and the oil secreted by the sweat glands. You should apply the cleanser gently over the face in circular motion. Then wash the face with cool water. You need to give your skin a dry exfoliation brush in the morning to remove the dead skin cells. Exfoliating your skin is very essential in order to make it bright and glowing. The purpose of exfoliating your skin is to remove the dead superficial skin cells and to make way for the new skin cells to appear. This will give you a youthful and glowing appearance. The new cells also absorb moisture readily than the dead cells. Exfoliation also improves the blood circulation. You can use a soft natural bristle brush for dry exfoliation. If your skin is oily, then you need to exfoliate at least 4 to 5 times a week. Those with dry sensitive skin can exfoliate once or twice per week. In order to keep your skin soft, you need to moisturize your skin. Moisturizers help to draw and seal moisture into the skin. This will rejuvenate the skin cells and make the skin feel soft and glowing. You should not overdo it as it can also result in clogging of the pores. You should select a moisturizer, which suits your skin type. Moisturizers also help to protect your skin from sun damage. Moisturizers with sunscreen are available which can be used in the daytime to protect your skin from the harsh UV light. You need to invigorate your skin by massaging them in slow circular motion. This will help to improve the circulation and will also prevent formation of wrinkles. In order to have a healthy glowing skin, you need to rev up your digestion. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced healthy food. Avoid oily and junk foodstuffs. In this way you can prevent constipation and other digestive problems which are the main cause for skin ailments like acne, pimples. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.